Hi guys, today we are going to see how you can record your computer screen for free. Let's say you want to make video of your computer screen and share the video with others. How do you record your screen? After watching this video, you will be able to record your screen and get a video file which you can share with anyone. Let's get started. To record our computer screen, method we use is the built-in screen recording tool which is available in Windows 10 and 11. Let's look at the method which is to use the built-in screen recording tool in Windows 10 and 11. To record your screen using this method, open the application you want to record. I want to record my browser. To open the window recorder, press window key plus G to open this option which you can use to record your screen. If you want to record your voice along with the video, you can click here to turn on your mic. To start your recording, just click here, and now our screen being recorded. So now whatever you do on your screen will be recorded. To hide these options, click anywhere on the screen and they will be hidden. So now let's do some actions on the screen for the recording. Once you recorded your screen, to stop recording, click on stop button and your recording will be saved on your computer. Now to see the recording, just go to File Explorer and then go to Videos, and now open your capture folder. Now you can see the video file of the same recording. If you open this video, you can now see video recorded by you. This is how you can record your screen using built-in window tool. This method will work only if you are using Windows 10 and 11.